In a world where the future is uncertain, how can youth make decisions that shape their destiny? Enter DeepSeek, the revolutionary tool that provides a window into the future. With countless decisions to make, today's youth find themselves at a crossroads. The pressure to choose wisely has never been higher. DeepSeek uses artificial intelligence, data analytics, and personalized insights to offer predictions on career paths, education, and even personal development. No longer do young people have to wonder if they're on the right path. With DeepSeek, they get real-time guidance, predictive analytics, and the confidence to move forward with clarity. What started as an idea to provide clarity has now become a lifeline for youth across the globe, transforming uncertainty into opportunity. DeepSeek isn't just a tool, it's a visionary companion, helping young people see the future they can create. The future is theirs to discover, guided by DeepSeek. Unlock your future with DeepSeek. Start today.